Good afternoon, students. So today we will start with the first exercise of the chapter Integers, exercise 1.1. So exercise 1.1, question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. A part. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Let us observe the number line and locate the zero on it. As I already told you, all the integers on the right side of 0 are positive and on the left hand side are negative. So the first city, Shimla, it is 5 divisions to the right of 0 indicated at 5. So temperature at Shimla will be 5 degrees Celsius. Similarly, Ooty. Ooty is 4 divisions to the right of 10. So it will be counted as 14 degrees Celsius. Bengaluru. Bengaluru is 2 divisions to the right of 20. So it will be taken as 22 degrees Celsius. Similarly, on the left hand side of 0, Srinagar is 2 divisions to the left of 0, will be taken as minus 2 degrees Celsius. And finally, Lahul Spiti is 3 divisions to the left of minus 5, will be taken as minus 8 degree Celsius. Okay, B part. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? So the temperature of the hottest place will be the maximum temperature, and on the number line the maximum number comes towards the right and the lowest number or the minimum number come towards the left. So the temperature of the hottest place, that is Bengaluru, as mentioned above in the A part, it is 22 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of the coldest place, that means the minimum temperature, it will be Lahul Spiti is equal to minus 8 degree Celsius. Now as the question is, we have to calculate the difference. Difference is always calculated by subtracting the lower number from the bigger number. So here, as the statement, their difference is equal to 22 degrees Celsius, it is the hottest, minus of, in the bracket, what is the temperature of the coldest? Minus 8. In the rules of the integers, I told you, if there is a negative sign in between the two integers, we change the sign of the second integer. So the second integer here is minus 8, will be changed as plus 8. So final statement, 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius will be equal to 30 degree Celsius. C part. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So let us first write down the temperatures of the two cities. Temperature of Lahul Spiti minus 8 degrees Celsius and temperature of Srinagar minus 2 degrees Celsius. We have to calculate their differences, difference in their temperatures. So difference is always calculated by subtracting the smaller number from the bigger. So one more thing I told you, on the number line, any number which comes on the right of the other is always bigger. So Srinagar's temperature is minus 2. It comes on the right of Lahul Spiti, that is minus 8. So minus 2 is bigger than minus 8. Similarly, in the line, difference in their temperatures, minus 2 degrees Celsius minus of minus 8 degrees Celsius. Again, following the same rule, if there is subtraction in between the two integers, then we have to change the sign of the second integer. So second integer being minus 8 will now become plus 8. Next line of the same, minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius. Now when the two integers having different signs, they will always be subtracted, and the sign will carry the this result will carry the sign of bigger number. So 8 minus 2 will become 6, and the sign of 8 is positive, so the answer will also be positive 6 degree Celsius. D part. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Let us first perform this part. The temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. Now both of them, temperature at Srinagar is minus 2 and the temperature at Shimla is plus 5. Both the integers having different signs will be subtracted. 5 minus 2 becomes 3, and the sign will be positive. Why? Because 5 is a bigger integer having positive sign. Now whereas the temperature of Shimla is given to us as 5 degrees Celsius. So comparing the two temperatures, Therefore, 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. So here comes the answer to the first part of this. So the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together, yes, it is less than that of the temperature at Shimla. The last line of the part, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So what is the temperature at Srinagar? It is -2, but the temperature which we calculated was 3 degrees Celsius. Therefore 3 degrees Celsius is greater than -2. So we will write down, therefore no, it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Question 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Okay, I am first writing down Jack's score in 5 successive rounds are 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. Now what do we have to find out? Total. So the total marks obtained by Jack, I will add all the integers. So in this first line I have written 25 plus in the bracket -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. From the rules of the integers, whenever we are adding the integers, there is no change in the sign of the integers. So let me remove the brackets and write down the same statement as 25 -5 -10 plus 15 plus 10. Now in the next step, I am taking all the positive integers together and all the negative integers together, writing them together. That is 25 plus 15 plus 10. They are all positive integers. Then -5 -10. Both of them were negative integers. Now as per the rules, all the integers having same signs are always added. So 25 plus 15 plus 10 will become 50, having the same sign. Similarly, -5 and -10, same sign integers will be added, sign remains the same, -15. And finally 50 minus 15 is equal to 35. That is the answer. Third question. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Dropped means the temperature decreased. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius, means it increased. Then what was the temperature on this day? Okay, answer. On Monday, the temperature at Srinagar is equal to -5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, the temperature dropped is equal to, how much was the drop? 2 degrees Celsius. So when it is decreasing, what will be the type of integer? It will be negative. The next line, therefore, the temperature of Tuesday is equal to -5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. Here we will put a negative sign. Why? Because in dropping the temperature, when the temperature is dropping means it is decreasing. So both the integers are having the same sign, -2 and -5, they will be added and the final answer will be -7 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday now, the temperature rose up is equal to 4 degrees Celsius. Rising up means it is increasing. Increasing means the integer will be denoted as a positive. So therefore the temperature on Wednesday -7 as it was on Tuesday plus 4 degrees Celsius. Now both the integers are having different signs. They will be subtracted. 7 minus 4 becomes 3, and which integer is bigger here? In absolute value, 7. What is the sign? Minus. So the final answer will be -3 degrees Celsius.